What is the correct flow of rice milling process? What are the steps involved in rice processing? Rice processing equipment manufacturers comprehensively analyze the rice processing process, from the cleaning and grading of rice to the packaging of finished products. Every step embodies the wisdom and skills of the craftsman. Below, let's take a closer look at every detail of rice processing. Primary processing, cleaning and grading of rice. My country's rice comes from a large number of individual farmers, with a wide variety of varieties and different harvesting and drying conditions, which results in the raw grain containing many impurities. Therefore, the first task of primary processing is to clean up and ensure the purity of the rice through multiple screening and stone removal. The subsequent grading work can ensure that the rice is classified according to variety and quality, laying the foundation for subsequent processing. Core links, rice milling and polishing. Back husk paddy processing and brown rice conditioning. Large-scale factories use back husk paddy to be processed separately to ensure that after the rice passes through the huller, the unhulled part can enter the huller again for shelling. The appropriate whitening moisture content of brown rice is 13.5 到 15.0. If the moisture content of brown rice is low, more broken rice will be produced during processing. Therefore, brown rice needs to be atomized with water and moisturized for a period of time to increase the friction coefficient of the surface layer of brown rice and reduce the whitening pressure. Multipass rice milling and rice polishing. Multipass rice milling can ensure that the endosperm is less damaged and the rice is broken, thereby increasing the rice yield. Rice polishing is an essential process when processing refined rice and high-quality rice. The surface of the polished rice grains is smoother and cleaner, improving the quality of the rice. Fine processing, color selection and preparation. In order to ensure that the color of rice is consistent, the color sorting process can remove abnormally colored grains in the rice grains. Rice products that contain high quality. The rice preparation process can mix rice of different varieties and nutrients in ascending proportion to meet the diverse needs of consumers. Processing of special rice products. In addition to conventional rice processing, embodying the ingenuity and sweat of the processor. I hope that every consumer can feel the ingenuity and affection behind it when they taste that fragrant white